This is our quiz preview for Management 362, the first quiz. And so we want to give you some framework for the quiz itself. It's 20 questions, true or false. You conduct your own work, no outside assistance, material, textbooks, or anyone assisting you or helping you in sourcing outside material while you're taking the test. No go backs, meaning that once you've selected an answer, that is your answer. Do not attempt to go back and try to change that answer. You have a 30-minute time limit, which is plenty of time to conduct and go through the 20 questions comfortably. It's located on motivatetheworld.com. The results will post under assignments. Take your time to make sure you have prepared well for the test. And that's really the key point to focus on here. And that's why we give you these previews so that you can prepare. And then if you do have a problem during the course of the test, just email me. All right, so let's frame the quiz a little bit. Questions can come from several sources. The class lectures on YouTube, the videos, definitely we will pull questions from there. The textbook is also a source for information, so we will pull information from the textbook. Review your notes, because your notes on management are extremely important and may be pertinent. Even though it's an online class, you can still take notes to make sure that you reinforce the learning process. And then focus on some of the key words that I'm going to give you in the areas that you need to focus on in locating the particular subject matter in the videos and in the textbook. But the emphasis should be placed on learning. So you understand the concept, not memorizing. And then ask questions if you need clarity in any way whatsoever. So what are these areas? What and how is e-commerce managed? How do we manage decision-making factors? How does the management planning process work? What is transformational leadership? What is strategy, and how does it work? How difficult is it managing people? How does 20th century and 21st century leadership differ? What is the objective with decision-making factors in management? What is implementation? Where do we typically see management plans? What is the company description? What is SWOT? What is culture in management? How does an individual's behavior influence? What are the financials? What is it that management plans tend to do? How do we manage our SWOT? How do we manage our financials? How do we manage our global marketing effort? So that's giving you the idea, not the idea, specifically where you need to look in between the notes that you may have taken, the video lectures themselves on YouTube, and the textbook in order to focus for quiz number 1. Here's your thought for the day. We have a lot of choices. One is whether to lead, one is whether to follow, and one is whether you can get out of the way fast enough.